Welcome to Alam Lawe Popo channel. We're here to guide you through essential forklift training. In this video, we will discuss training forklift, counterbalance forklift. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The counterbalance forklift is one of the most common types used in warehouses and industries worldwide. It is called a counterbalance because the weight at the rear effectively balances the load at the front. This clever counterbalance design allows the forklift to drive directly up to the load without needing outriggers. Before operating any forklift, it's crucial to always conduct a thorough pre-use inspection to ensure safety. Start by meticulously checking the tires, mast, hydraulic hoses, and forks for any signs of damage or wear. Next, make sure the seat belt is functional and all warning systems are working properly. Also, check the fuel level or battery charge, depending on the type of forklift you are operating. Always wear personal protective equipment, PPE, including a helmet, safety vest, and steel-toe shoes for your safety. Before you move, always ensure the surrounding area is completely clear of obstacles and people. Sit comfortably, adjust your seat to the correct position, and ensure all mirrors are properly aligned for clear visibility. Start the forklift engine and verify that all gauges and lights on the dashboard are functioning correctly. Operate the forklift slowly and smoothly at all times to prevent tipping or losing load balance. Always understand and adhere to the forklift's capacity plate to avoid dangerous overloading situations. The load center is a critical factor for maintaining balance and stability during lifting operations. Approach the load squarely with the forks level and fully inserted underneath the pallet for secure lifting. Lift the load just high enough to clear the ground, ensuring it is secure before moving. Always keep the load tilted slightly back against the mast for optimal stability during travel. Drive at a safe and controlled speed, and always avoid sudden turns or abrupt stops. When traveling with a load, always keep your forks as low to the ground as possible for maximum stability. When making turns, always slow down significantly to prevent the forklift from tipping. Always look in the direction of travel and frequently use your mirrors, especially when reversing. Avoid uneven surfaces or ramps when carrying a heavy load, as this can lead to instability. When using a ramp, always keep the load facing uphill to maintain better stability and control. Never overload the forklift beyond its rated capacity. This is a serious safety hazard. Always use both forks fully inserted under the load for proper and secure lifting. Before lifting, always ensure that all loads are stable and well balanced on the pallet. Never attempt to lift loads that are loose, unsecured, or prone to shifting. Never allow anyone to stand under raised forks or suspended loads. This is extremely dangerous. Always lower the load completely to the ground before leaving the forklift unattended. When not in use, always turn off the engine and set the parking brake on the forklift. Always park the forklift in a designated safe area, away from traffic and walkways. Always maintain clear and effective communication with coworkers and spotters to ensure safety. Use horns or alarms when approaching blind spots or intersections to warn others. Always obey all warehouse traffic signs and floor markings. They are there for your safety. Always follow the company's safety policy and adhere to all training procedures. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure the forklift operates efficiently and safely. Keep hydraulic systems clean and free of leaks to maintain optimal performance. Record every maintenance activity diligently in the forklift logbook. Training and certification are mandatory requirements for all forklift operators. Operators must fully understand load charts, proper lifting techniques, and all relevant safety codes. Practice in a controlled environment is essential before operating in the actual field. Continuous learning and refresher courses significantly improve safety and operational efficiency. Report any unsafe condition or near-miss incident immediately to your supervisor. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility in the workplace. Always stay alert and avoid all distractions while driving a forklift. Always keep your hands and feet safely inside the cabin at all times while operating. Use a spotter whenever visibility is limited to ensure a safe path. Be extra cautious when working near pedestrians, and always yield the right of way. Always follow the posted speed limit inside the warehouse to maintain a safe environment. Proper forklift training significantly prevents accidents and saves lives. Review forklift safety rules regularly with your team to keep everyone informed and safe. Never take shortcuts, especially when handling heavy loads. Always prioritize the safest route. Always respect all safety signs and diligently follow instructions from supervisors. Forklift safety protects not only workers, but also products and the company's reputation. Every move you make on a forklift can make a difference. Stay safe. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive forklift training journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos from Alam Lawe Popo.